Turkish territory and safety is agonizingly close. They've been chased here by Islamic State, but can go no further. Several thousand Syrian Kurds are stuck on the railway line that marks the Syrian-Turkish border. The problem is that as refugees they can't take their animals, their livelihoods with them. But they believe they'll be killed if they turn back. This man says the world has abandoned them. Where's the international community, he asks. Where's our human rights? Where's your conscience? Look around you. Behind them lies the town of Kobane. It's holding out, but only just, against Islamic State. Shops and homes are shuttered. That's no surprise, the front lines are just 10 minutes' drive away. The Kurds are lightly armed. This is a homemade armoured vehicle. But they are defiant. Here, Kobane is defended by a unit of female fighters. We fight for our land, she says. No matter what weapons the enemy has, our will to fight is stronger. But the jihadis are closing in, advancing along this, the main road to Kobane.
Turn around and go back.
The Kurds know they must stop them here or lose the town. The Kurds say that airstrikes have not stopped Islamic State from moving forces up to confront them. They're pleading for a more decisive Western intervention. Islamic State fighters filmed themselves on the road to Kobane, happy and relaxed. They believe victory is within their grasp. Tonight, the jihadis began a new offensive. We left just as the battle was getting underway. The Kurds hoped that airstrikes would take some of the pressure off them, but every night, here, Islamic State fighters have been attacking. On this part of the front line, the jihadis remain as ambitious and as dangerous as ever. Paul Wood, BBC News, Kobane.